Hi guys, this is Suzuki Ignis from 2006 and today we will replace engine air filter. So if you lift up your hood, you will find the filter here in this compartment, and to open it up it's very easy. You have one clip here, so you basically push here and get it off like that, and there's another one on the other side, so you clip it out as well. And now you can bend this part back and get the access to the filter. So if we now bend it back firmly and get the filter out, you see this is the engine air filter. I'll give you the dimensions on the screen. And to fit it back, you basically need to remember that the air inlet is here, goes there, through the compartment where the filter is located, and then to the engine. So if you see, this is where all the dirt is visible, and it stays here. And on this side, it should be 99% of air that comes through. So now we bend it again, and like that we put the new filter in place. I can't do it with one hand, so I need to secure the camera. Okay, now with both hands I can easily fit it back. This is the dirty side of the filter that I've shown you, and it has to match with air inlet side, this side, and the clean side, surrounded by the gasket, has to be on this side, the clean side, the part where the air goes into the engine. So we bend this back, put the filter inside, we maneuver it a bit so the gasket sits here, and then the yellow part of the filter goes in this compartment. So now we basically need to close these two parts and press the clips like that, and that's done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more Suzuki Ignis, check my channel out. I've got plenty of videos about this and other cars, and good luck with your Ignis.